channel, and today we are going to learn how to change pin code in Messenger. So let's get started. Want to change your pin code in Messenger? So to do that, what you can do is just simply open up your Messenger application, and after opening it, just simply tap on the three bar icon which is on the top left, and after tapping on that, now you just have to tap on the gear icon which is on the top, scroll down, and after scrolling down, just simply tap on privacy and safety, then tap on end-to-end encrypted chats. And inside your end-to-end encrypted chats, now you just have to tap on message storage, and inside that just simply tap on turn on secure storage. And after tapping on that, now you just have to tap on create a 6-digit pin, and then tap on continue, and now you just have to create a pin. After doing that, now you just have to confirm it by re-entering the pin. And after doing that, now you have successfully created a pin. Now if you will try to log into some account, you just have to enter the following pin and your chats will be recovered. So that's it guys, this is how to change pin code in Messenger. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.